You have got to love Currys. The way we connect people, ideas being shared, teams learning together, growing together, all of us winning together. I know what you're thinking.
How did all this happen?
Well, we worked hard to get all this. The UK's best known retailer in tech, one joined up business. Now everything and everyone's connected.
Here.
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 Here. Here.
And even here.
It's best for customers, colleagues and communities.
Did you know that we recycle our own packaging?
And we'll have net zero emissions by 2040.
And that's not only the half of it. We're connecting 24/7 with customers from Wick to the White Cliffs. I'm connected. Bottom line is this. We want to help you help everyone enjoy amazing technology. Because Lee and Sean and Joshua and Navdeep and everyone who joins us are our magic ingredient. You put the human touch into technology. You make us who we are. Whether you're selling, delivering, installing, fixing, or even supporting our colleagues. It's why we make sure you reap the rewards, make sure you get the recognition. It's why we look after your well-being and give you a place to belong and grow. From hybrid ways of working to gaining new skills for life. From apprenticeships to great graduate programmes. And to all the training you need to become an amazing manager. And we connect you to all that and more. So what are you waiting for? Get everything you need to have a great career. Welcome to Amazing.